Visitors must be 18 or older to legally rent or drive a vehicle in Belize, and it's well worth it for travelers, as it allows you to explore the country with greater ease. Travelers should check if their credit card covers collision damage waiver coverage, which can be up to $15 a day but usually doesn't cover the initial cost of damage up to $1,000, as this is often available via providers such as American Express. But before you book a rental car, see below and make sure you have everything needed for driving in Belize. 1. Driver's license, required, U.S. license accepted. 2. IDP, International Driving Permit required if you do not have a license. 3. Age requirement, 18 to legally rent or drive a car in Belize. 4. Registration, required. 5. Insurance, required.